Hello, welcome to the Spreadex Market Preview. Today we're talking about TUI, who report their third quarter figures on Thursday. It was being a very, very strong year for TUI, I think around May time. There it hit an all-time high, sort of propelled higher by its half-year figures, which showed, I think it was an 8.5% rise in turnover to 6.8 billion euros. It also managed to trim its losses, I think, from 230 million euros to 159 million euros, largely thanks to things like its sort of recently expanded cruise division doing very well, continued demand from UK holidaymakers, and I think a rebound in Turkey and North Africa, which recently had seen sort of subdued trading that has begun to turn around in recent months. However, heading into its third quarter figures on Thursday, there's somewhat of a worry that the impact of the World Cup and the heatwave in Europe would have dragged lower those sort of remaining UK the package holidays that hadn't been sold heading into the summer. I think there was reports in July suggesting that had been the case, with travel operators worried that the World Cup and the heatwave had sort of convinced holiday makers that would have perhaps been looking for a last-minute trip abroad to stay back at home. In terms of what our clients are doing, sort of TUI has seen somewhat of a sharp decline since those all-time highs back in May. I think it's now trading at a 15-week low, in large part off the back of those fears that the third quarter is not going to be strong as expected because of the heatwave and the World Cup. However, our clients are sort of really heavily buying around, I think it's around the £16 mark. I think they're looking for TUI to rebound with some decent figures, even if figures somewhat expected to be slightly lower than what they would have been normally given the impact of, as I said, both the heatwave and the World Cup.